Life and message of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Fear not and frighten not by Guru Tegh Bahadur. Introduction. The ninth of the 10th Gurus, Guru Tegh Bahadur, was the founder of Sikh religion and the leader of Sikhs from 1665 until he was beheaded in 1675. He was first named Tegh Mal, but later he came to be known as Tegh Bahadur, mighty of the sword, after he had shown his valor and bravery in a battle against the Mughals. He taught the society, give up our lives, but do not give up the truths. Life of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Tegh Bahadur was born in Amritsar, Punjab on 1st April 1621. He was known as Tegh Mal in childhood. He was the youngest son of Guru Hargobind. As a child, he was trained in martial arts, swordsmanship, and horse riding. But despite being an able fighter, alongside his father in different battles, he chose the path of renunciation and meditation. Guru Tegh Bahadur contributed many hymns to the Guru Granth Sahib, including the shlokas and couplets near the end of the Guru Granth Sahib. He travelled in the different parts of the country, including Dhaka, to preach the teachings of Nanak, the first Sikh Guru. During his travels, Guru Tegh Bahadur spread the Sikh ideas and messages. He also started community water wells and langars, community kitchen charity for the poor. Messages and teachings of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Tegh Bahadur was a versatile poet and embodied the messages of freedom, courage, and compassion. He symbolized the triumph of good over evil. His martyrdom, unique in the history of mankind, inspired many Sikhs to lay down their lives for noble causes and moral values. Here are some of his messages and teachings. Give up your head, but forsake not those whom you have undertaken to protect. Sacrifice your life, but relinquish not your faith. He taught to protect the one who needs protection, even if it comes at the cost of one's own life. True realization of the actual nature of this material world, its perishable, transitory, and illusory aspects, best dawns of a person in suffering. Guru Tegh Bahadur revealed the true reason behind human suffering. It is in times of misery when one sees the ephemeral nature of worldly pleasures, and only one can learn to value greater things in life. One who vanquishes his ego and beholds the Lord as the sole doer of all things, that person has attained Jivan Mukti, is liberated while living. Know this as the real truth, says Nanak. He always guided his followers towards the path of peace. Guru Tegh Bahadur taught the world to be content with their life, as everything in the world is Nanak's doing. He also spread the idea of attaining Jivan Mukti by making with every life situation. Conclusion. On 24th November 1675, Guru Tegh Bahadur was publicly beheaded on the orders of Aurangzeb for refusing to accept the authority of Mughal emperor. Guru Tegh Bahadur, still known as the man who championed the rights for all religious freedom. Thank you for watching. For more videos, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell.